Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I'm sitting with Simran Bhamu. We're talking about infrastructure. Hello and welcome.
Thank you for having me here.
So, what would you focus on when it comes to infrastructure and why? And how would you suggest we go about achieving that suggestion?
Sure. So for infrastructure, if you're referring to town expansion and development, then we need to rely on experts in urban planning, as these are technical issues. But from a council's point of view, we should be monitoring these processes so that things don't go over budget. For example, how I said before, we went over budget for the renovations for our town hall recently. And we need to plan ahead of time. We need to plan looking into future as well, because there are certain things that we can do right now and the cost can be shared over generations, so we don't have to pay for something right away. And if you're referring to public transportation like GO trains or affordable housing and things like that, those are provincial matters, but definitely we can push it through the right channels as council members so that it approaches the right people who sit in the Queen's Park and who will be able to address it for us.
Okay, well, thank you very much for the concise answer. And certainly if you have more questions, you can reach out to Simran. And I hope you stay tuned for our next video, which is talking about town unity, working together on council. I hope you stay tuned. Bye for now.